Hello everybody and welcome to another video of R&R Partners. My name is Ruxandra and today we will speak about a topic that was highly requested by you guys. How to obtain the Romanian visa for family reunification. And make sure to stick with us up until the very end because we will also talk about the differences between visa, residency permit and citizenship. This is very important because confusing any of them could make you end up in a very difficult situation, getting a fine from the immigration authorities or even being deported or having a restriction not to come to Romania in the future. So you should know more details about all of them. So let's start. First of all, what is a visa for family reunification? The visa for family reunification, also called the D/VF visa, is a visa that allows you to come to Romania and be reunited with a family member who is either a Romanian citizen or is a legal citizen in Romania for more than 1 year. For example, if your spouse has come to Romania on a travel visa, you cannot be reunited with that person because they are not a citizen or a resident for more than 1 year. Now, who qualifies for this type of family visa? Although the name is quite general, not any member of your family can qualify for a family visa to come to Romania. According to European law, family members who can come to Romania on a family visa are either spouses or first-degree relatives. This includes a mother, father, or a child. However, children can enter Romania on a reunification visa only if they are under 21 years old. If the child is older, they can come to Romania on maybe a travel visa and come and see you, or if they want to work here, get a work visa, but not on a family reunification visa because being older is considered not to be that dependent on their family anymore. If you made your research about family reunification visa for Romania, maybe you heard about a word that is quite interesting. It's called a sponsor. You might have heard about brands sponsoring a certain athlete or maybe a YouTube channel, but a sponsor in immigration law is quite different. They are not a brand, the sponsor is indeed a person. That person is the one who is asking you to come to Romania and allows you to get the family visa and is considered the one who will support you throughout your stay in Romania. And of course, the sponsor has to be a family member because we are talking about a family visa. Now, speaking about the sponsor, should this sponsor do anything special before you come to Romania on this type of visa? And here we have two options. Option number one, this sponsor is either a Romanian or another EU citizen staying in Romania. In this case, you can apply for a family reunification visa without additional formalities. But if they are a resident in Romania, because as you heard, you can also get your family member to come here if you are a resident of at least 1 year, then there are some additional formalities. The sponsor should obtain a prior approval from the immigration authorities in order to be reunited with you. Without this approval, even if they are a legal resident in Romania, they cannot ask you to come here and you will not be allowed the family reunification visa. And speaking about residency permits, you should also check out our video about how to obtain a residency permit if you are a non-EU citizen, which might be interesting for you. And make sure to subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more content about immigration law, visas, and residency permits coming up soon. Now, with all that being said, how do you actually apply for a family reunification visa? Because a visa is a thing that you get before actually coming to Romania, you should apply for this visa at the embassy or the consulate from your home country. For example, if you are an Indian citizen and you want to be reunited with your son who is in Romania, then you should go to the embassy or consulate in Romania, either from India where you are staying or from another country where you have a legal residency because maybe you are not staying in your home country, and then you can apply to be reunited with your son in Romania. Your file for the family reunification visa should contain quite a few documents. The most important thing is, of course, the proof that you actually have a family member in Romania. You can show that they are family members with your marriage certificate, your birth certificate, or any other types of document that is official and shows that you are relatives. And now let's say you got the visa, you came to Romania. How long can you actually stay in Romania based on this visa? The family or D/VF visa is a long stay visa, which means you can stay in Romania legally based on that visa for 90 days. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it's very good that you stuck until the end because we are getting to the most important thing. What happens if you overstay your visa and if you do not understand the difference between a visa, residency permit, long stay residency? So if you overstay your visa, you can get a small fine if you did not overstay it a lot, or you can, in some cases, even get banned from Romania in the future. We have clients who overstayed their visa for like 1 year and a half, something like that, and they got banned for more than a year. They cannot come to Romania anymore until this duration is done, and only then can they apply for a visa. Remember, you can avoid all this type of unpleasant things happening to you if you just understand the difference between visa and residency. Because when your visa is close to ending, like in your last 30 days, you should apply for residency if you want to stay longer. If you don't want to stay longer, it's quite easy, you can go back to your home country. In order to prepare your file for residency permit, you can either try to do it by yourself at the immigration office in the city where you're located, or if you don't want to do it by yourself, you can ask the help of an immigration lawyer like us, who can help you prepare the residency file, and it will have more chances of being accepted. As immigration lawyers, we do this quite often, so we know what your file should contain and have the process be done a little bit faster and smoother, and have more chances of your file to be approved by the immigration authorities. So that is about it for today. If you enjoyed this video, and if you watched until the end, I guess you did, make sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and make sure to subscribe to our channel because we have many more videos about immigration law and commercial law coming up. And if you do not subscribe, you might miss some of them, which would be quite a pity. If anything is still unclear about obtaining a Romanian reunification visa, make sure to leave a comment down below with your questions, and we will try to answer them as fast as possible. And if you want our help to prepare your residency file or the file for your visa, you can send us a private message to office@rrpb.ro by email, or you can directly book a consultation with us on our website. You also have the link in the video description, so you can either come at our office in Bucharest in person to discuss your file, or we can have a video call consultation and see how we can help you. That is about it for today. Up until next time, have a lovely day. Bye bye.